Hi guys, welcome back to Life with YouTube channel. So we have discussed many topics till now. Once again we can recall them and we can go to next topic. Okay. So we have discussed many topics from the chapter matrix and once recall them. So the first topic what I said you is introduction. In that I taught you who introduced the matrix. Who introduced the matrix? James Sylvester, and further it was improved by his friend Arthur Coyle, and he is the father of matrices, right? And next we taught, order of the matrix, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, how we need to find R into C notation, right? Here Arthur Coyle. Just, so please if you haven't seen these all videos, please go through them, okay? Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, so on, okay? And order. And then I taught you types of matrices like a square matrix, rectangular matrix, okay, right? And then I taught you addition, and then subtraction, and then multiplication, right? And then I taught you transpose, and then determinant, and then types of matrices based on determinant. And next I taught you minors and then cofactors, right? So today I'm going to teach about adjoint and inverse. Okay, adjoint and inverse. These two, these minors and cofactors are related to adjoint and inverse. Okay, so let's start. So take a book and pen and be seated in a calm room and listen this. Then you get to understand everything with a pleasant mind. So now let's go to adjoint. How to find adjoint? So I'll teach adjoint now in 2 into 2 matrix as well as 3 into 2 matrix. First we can go to 2 into 2 matrix. So let's take to explain adjoint, I'll take an example and I'll explain you, which will be easier to understand to you, right? So for example, let matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D. Right? It is a 2 into 2 matrix. Now I'll say you the answer. The adjoint of matrix A is D minus C. A. This is the answer of adjoint A is equal to D minus B minus C A. Okay. Now you'll think that how she got that answer? How she write directly like that, right? You have these doubts, I think so. Now I'll clarify that, okay? First of all, to find adjoint A, we need to find cofactors, okay? You know how to find cofactors. Before words I have said you that. Cofactors. Cofactor of, we need to find cofactor of each element. No, now I'm finding cofactor of A, element A is equal to. So in 2 into 2 matrix, the cofactor of an element will be the opposite element. The cofactor of A element will be the opposite one. So that is D. Okay. Okay, it will be D. Okay, you have understood this, I think so. So now it will be D. But as I said you, I'm asking you one question now. What is the formula of cofactor? How we need to find cofactor? The formula to find cofactor is minus 1 to the power of I plus j into minor. This is an important formula. Please note it down. Okay. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into minor, where I is equal to row and j is equal to column. Okay. You have understood this, I think so. So minus 1 into I plus j. What is I row and what is I row? A. What is the row of A? First row. Plus j. What is the row? What is the column of the A? 1. Into minor. What is minor in 2 into 2 matrix? The minor in 2 into 2 matrix will be opposite that of element. Okay? Opposite. So, A opposite to A is D now. Okay? D. Now, cofactor of next element, that is B. It will be minus 1 to the power of, come on, say, first row, second column, into opposite that element, C. Next, cofactor of element C. It will be minus 1 to the power of, second row plus first column, right? Second row, first column, into the opposite element is B. And then cofactor of D will be minus 1 to the power of second row, second column. So 2 plus 2 into the opposite element A. And this gives to, listen here, this gives rise to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. It means minus 1 to the power of 2 into D, right? Minus 1 to the power of 2. What it will become? 1. 1 into D, D. I think so you have understood this well. And next, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into C. Minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, it means that minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3 into C. It means that minus power into 3 minus 1 into C minus C. Okay. Here, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into B, where minus 1 to the power of 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3 is equal to minus 1. So, minus 1 into B minus B. Here, minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power of 4. Minus 1 to the power of is equal to 1 into A. 1 into A. Okay? You have understood this, I think so. Right? So, the resultant matrix will be, here. I think so you can able to see, right? The resultant matrix will be D minus C minus B A. D minus C minus B A. So, I am rubbing this. So, what is the formula to find adjoint A? To find adjoint A, the formula is cofactor matrix of A whole transpose. Okay. So, now the resultant adjoint, cofactor matrix is, okay, simply I am mentioning CMA, cofactor matrix of A is D minus C minus B as I written here, okay. And next, what I said, the adjoint A is cofactor matrix of A whole transpose. Transpose it, you'll get the answer. D minus C minus B A. Okay. I changed here row into column. What is transpose? The interchanging of rows into columns and vice versa is called transpose, right? So here I have changed the rows into columns and column into row and get the result is D minus B minus C into A, which is equivalent to this, right? But without doing this process, I have said the answer. One thing you remember, I won't buttify the answer, right? So then how I got that answer? Simply in board exams while you are writing, you may confused or it will take a bit of time, right? To know the answer. So in easy way I'll say, but it's a secret, don't say to anyone, right? So I'll say you how to find that easiest way answer. But in this you need to observe. Just you need to observe. When I said question and answer, then only you need to know how I said the answer. Okay. But I think so. You may not. I think so. I will say you. So what? Listen here. A, B, C, D. This is the question. That is the given matrix. Okay. And then we need to find adjoint A. Adjoint A. So to find adjoint A, first of all, I'll make here the opposite elements A and D are there, right? I'll interchange them. D, A. Okay. First, I changed them, and this B, C. First, I changed A and D elements, and then I kept minus for B and C. So this is the answer. Okay. Just first of all, the first element and fourth element we need to interchange them, and the second element and third element we should attach minus. Okay. Attach minus. You got that answer? I think so now. I'll give you one of the question. I think so you'll get the answer because I have said easiest way, right? Let's discuss that. You need to keep formulas in mind, then only you'll get the answer, or else no. Okay? See here, cofactor is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into minor. You know how to find minor, right? In 2 into 2 matrix, it is opposite to the element given. And in 3 into 3 matrix, we need to take 4 elements and we need to find determinant for that, right? So, and now one example I am giving. Suppose S is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Find the adjoint of S. Who don't know the trick, they'll find now cofactors. Again plus minus. Again, after cofactors they'll find transpose and then sell the adjoint. But who knows the trick, they'll say directly S is the adjoint of S is 3. They'll say like this. 3 minus 2 minus 2. 3 minus 1 minus 2 0. Huh? That's why I said you should know the trick. In this way you won't waste the time in the examination time. So please focus that. You will get to know everything. So till now I have said 2 into 2 matrix. Now we can go through 3 into 3 matrix. Okay. Till now note down this and that formula. Okay. I think so you got it right. May I write that? Please note down it. It was very important. Okay. Now, I am going to teach 3 into 3. Okay. 3 into 3 matrix. Now, to make you to know 3 into 3 matrix, may I teach you with A, B, C, D or as direct variables? Who got 2 into 2 matrix, they will say that directly teach with numbers. That is, who said that numbers, they are focusing. But who said that variables, they are not focusing. Okay, focus. Then you'll get everything. Okay. Now, I am saying by explanation, by taking an example. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. This is the given matrix A. Now we need to find adjoint of A. So how to find? In that we have taken first cofactors to find and then we did transpose to that. But here if you observe, if I take an element, for this here there are 4 elements. Which element I need to take as opposite? You'll think now like this, right? So you need to take that 4 elements. So for that I'll say you first of all 2 formulas. CF is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into minor. This is one of the formula. Now we are finding adjoint A, right? Adjoint A will be cofactor of matrix A whole to the power of transpose. Okay. Just keep those two formulas in the mind, then you'll get the answer. Okay, just okay. Now let's go to find it. So first of all, what we need to find? We need to find cofactor matrix. Okay, so I'll teach you very slowly. First of all, now I'll say you the rows and columns. Row and column of each element. Suppose think these are all A element. A. And this will have row, first column. So 11, and this will be first row, second column, so 12, and this will be A13, and this will be A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Remember these numbers. Then you'll get easily. Okay. How I said, you listen. First row, first column. So 1, 1. Okay. First row, second column. 1 is okay. First row, second column. 1, 2. Here, first row, third column. 1, 3. Here. First column, but second row. So second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Okay. In that way, I said those all. Okay. Okay. Do you want to teach this also? So third row, first column. Okay, in that way I taught you those. So now we need to find cofactor matrix. So cofactor of 0. I am not mentioning cofactor directly, I am mentioning because there is no space here to say you. So cofactor of 0 will be -1 to the power of I plus j. I plus j, 1 plus 1, 2 into minor. What is minor? In 3 into 3 matrix, as I said you, we need to take determinant. Okay, is it clear now? Is equal to -1 to the power of whole square, 1 itself. So 1 leave it. Okay, for your purpose I'm writing now 1 into. Now find the determinant of 2, 3, 3, 4. For 2's, that's determinant. We need to find in 2 into 2 matrix. How will we find? Like this, right? For 2's are 8, 3 3's are 9, 8 minus 9. Okay, this is the way how we need to find. 8 minus 9 minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Okay, in this way we need to find. Now cofactor of 1, make it fast here. -1 into 1 plus 2, right? Into 1 plus 2 is directly I can write as 3, right? And then the result, and see, cut these elements. Then you'll get to know 1, 3, 2, 4 is equal to -1 to the power of 3 minus 1 into 4 ones 4. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1, 2. Okay. Next cofactor of 2. This 2. Don't think, okay. Now cofactor of 2. -1 to the power of 1 plus 3. It means, 1 plus 3 is 4, right? Into, cut this row and column, then you'll get 1, 2, 2, 3 is equal to -1 to the power of 4, 1. 1 into 3 ones, 3 minus 2 twos, 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. So you'll get -1. Now I'll say you here simply. Okay, I think so. If you have understood these 3, then you can do all other things. But I am explaining for your explanation for your good, better thing. So here I have known now 0, 1, 2 cofactors. But now I need to find 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. So for 1 here, you can able to see. Okay, this one. Okay, 1. Cofactor of 1 will be -1 to the power of I plus j, right? What is I plus j? 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3 means -1 to the power of 3 minus 1 itself, as it is, into determinant. While we remove this respective row and column, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then find the determinant. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is -2. -2 into -1, 2. Okay, is it clear now? Next, 1 completed. Next, go to next element 2. -1 to the power of 2 plus 2, 4. 4 means -1 to the power of 4, we will get plus 1 into. So as we remove the respective row and column, we will get 0, 2, 2, 4. 4, 0, 0. 0 minus 4. It means minus 4. Okay, minus 4 into plus 1, minus 4. Next, after completing 2, next we need to go to 3. Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 means nothing but minus 1 to the power of 5 minus 1 into. As we delete the respective row and column, we will get 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 minus 2. Minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 1, 2. And next, as we completed 3, now I will go to 2. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 means 4. Minus 1 to the power of 4 results plus 1 into. Delete the respective row and column, then you get 1, 2, 2, 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. As we completed 2, now I am next going to 3. 3 is equal to, just delete the respective row and column. Okay, just delete the respective row and column. Then we'll get 0, 2, 1, 3. So 0 minus 2. Sorry, I have forgotten to write here minus 1. So we'll get 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1 to the power of 5, we'll get minus 1 as it is. Okay. So next 0, 2. So 0 minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1, we'll get 2. And next cofactor of 4. Last one. Minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3, 6. Minus 1 to the power of 6, we'll get minus 1. Sorry, plus 1. Into. Just delete this respective row and column. You will get to 0, 1, 1, 2. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1. Okay. These are the cofactors of each element. Now make them in a matrix. Please adjust here. There is no space. So minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. Sorry. 2, minus 1. And next here 2, minus 4, 2. 2, minus 4, 2. Minus 1, 2, minus 1. Okay, you are able to see, I think so. Minus 1, 2, minus 1. This is the respective matrix, sir. You got. Just wait a minute. I'll explain you it very clearly. Now what you have find? Cofactor matrix of A. Now what you need to do? We need to make transpose. Transpose of matrix A. Okay? To find cofactor matrix, what we got is minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1. Okay? Is it clear now? Now what we are finding here? Adjoint of 3 into 3 matrix. So the adjoint A will be cofactor matrix transpose. So just interchange rows into columns. Minus 1, 2, minus 1. Just I am changing this row into column. 2 minus 4, 2. Minus 1, 2, minus 1. Do you got that? This is the adjoint A of the given matrix 3 into 3. Do you understand this? I think so you have understood this. So I think so if you have any doubts, please write them in the comment. If you like this video, please like it and comment on it, and please subscribe this channel, and thank you. Bye bye.